The EnergySmart Home Scale, also known as the E-Scale, provides homebuyers and homeowners with an easy-to-understand tool for making smart energy decisions when purchasing, renting, or updating a home.
One of the things that we like about Builder's Challenge is kind of this scorecard, and it's almost like an MPG for a house. So instead of miles per gallon, here's where my house ranks in this overall scale, and I think that's probably a little bit more digestible for your average consumer, and it's really starting to resonate.
The E-Scale is based on the well-established Home Energy Rating System, or HERS Index, developed by ResNet, the Residential Energy Services Network.
The home energy rating system is really important for us to be able to demonstrate to homeowners what they actually are purchasing. There's a scale from 0 to 100.
100 means you meet the minimum building requirement of the International Energy Code. The lower the better. Contrary to most scales, the higher the better.
The EnergySmart scale is quite helpful for consumers in that it provides them a frame of reference in comparing new homes.
Each of the models that we looked at had a plaque inside that said what their average energy usage would be for the year. And we compared that in different models and houses that we looked at.
It has to be a HERS certified rater that gives each house the HERS rating.
We inspect a home at the frame stage, and before it moves to installation, we want to ensure that everything's put in right, sealed off right.
ResNet certified energy raters compile the E-Scale or HERS rating for a new home using an established system for quality assurance. Features of a high-performance home that meets or exceeds the builder's challenge include high levels of exterior wall insulation and attic insulation, ENERGY STAR rated windows or better, a high-performance HVAC system, a high-performance tankless hot water system, mechanical ventilation for good indoor air quality, high-performance CFL or fluorescent lighting, and a sealed duct system in conditioned space. Performance testing, such as a blower door test for air and duct leakage, is usually part of the rating.
It's the same used nationwide. There's one way to come up with the number. It's an apples to an apples, unlike any other energy efficient program that I know of today.
Information collected by the rater is entered into a ResNet accredited computer program which generates a rating score. A basic rating of 100 means that a home has been built to existing codes. A rating of 85 meets ENERGY STAR criteria, while a rating of 70 meets the builder's challenge. The ultimate goal is the net zero energy home, which produces at least as much energy as it consumes over the course of a year.
It's the only thing that says if it's 46, it's 46. No disputing it. For me to say, hey, the house you're staying in is a little bit more energy efficient than neighbors. Anyone can say that. There's only one thing that's tried and true and inspected into and certified. That's your HERS rating.
My townhome has an energy rating of 69, which meets the builder's challenge, and it's actually quite a bit more efficient even than ENERGY STAR.
56 is our low score house and 62 is our high score right now. So we're well within the realm of what was anticipated. Without any effort, we're going to continue to build at least at that level.
These homes here at Village Trieste are anywhere from the mid to low 40s on the HERS scale. So we're already in the bottom 50% of reaching that net zero. And really without doing a whole lot of different stuff than we've been doing here locally for almost a decade. So we're pretty happy with that, and we're continuing to push the envelope.
The EnergySmart Home Scale and Builder's Challenge will help to achieve the goal of zero energy homes for America. To learn more, visit www.buildingamerica.gov/challenge.